Hello, it's Mujibur Rahman here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a web form for the GetResponse Autoresponder. I'm logged into my back office of GetResponse, and you can start by clicking on Create Form if you've got these quick actions showing on in your back office. But if you don't, you just click on Tools, and then you click on Forms. And it will take you to something like that, and then you click on Create Form, and what I'm going to use is List Builder Wizard. I'm going to use this, and let me go down. I'm going to create a form that I can use at the bottom of my blog posts on my blog. So I'm going to use the wider one, and I'm going to click on newsletter sign up. So I'm just creating a sign up form, and then I'm going to click. Let me see what I can use. Okay, I'll use this as a template. Click on this, it's loading the template, and then I can start customizing this template. Okay, I'm going to customize it. Okay, first of all, I'm going to replace this image with my own image. There's some I've uploaded onto GetResponse. You can upload your own images by clicking on Add Files, and they'll show up in there. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to move this down a little bit. Okay, that looks about right. And now I'm going to, I want to get the name, email address, and the button, submit button on the same line. So I'm going to start moving these around. There, move that across, and move this down there, so they're lined up. Got a little bit more there. Okay, and email there. Looks about right, yeah. Or okay, maybe there. That looks about right. Okay, I'm going to change this to say move out there. Okay, do that. Okay, so I want to change the text in there to say work with Mujibur, my name. Okay, and I'm going to change this to different, and I'm going to make it a bit bigger there. Okay, and I'm going to move that up a little bit. Looks about right. And I want to add another little another text box there. So add fields, and I don't want these form fields, I want a text field. So text, drag that there, and that's it. And in there, okay, start editing this text. I say so put in there, work with Mojibah. Okay, no useless e-books or outdated courses. Outdated, 2 words, outdated courses. Just the opportunity to work with me and create a passive income online. Okay, right, I need to expand this up a bit more. Showing. Okay, it looks a bit small, so I need to increase the size of the text in there. Okay, let me move that down a little bit and then make this a little bit bigger. Okay, you can stretch out. There, and then move down a little bit more. Okay, now I can make it bigger. Okay, showing up, and this I can stretch out a little bit more now to there, and then change the color to dark, not grey, yeah. Okay, see how it looks now. No useless ebooks or outdated courses, just the opportunity to work with me and create a passive income online. Okay, that seems to look good, and change the text on that. Okay, let's say get details. Work with Mojibah. No useless ebooks or outdated courses, just the opportunity to work with me and create a passive income online. Okay, maybe change that a little bit more. to passive, like that. Make it stand out a little bit. Okay, that seems okay. Name, email address, get details. Yep, form's looking okay. And then you click on publish form once you're ready with it. Okay, I've published the form, and I'm going to take this code, this JavaScript code, and then I'm going to take it into my blog. Let me put it at the end of this post. Okay, let me edit this post. Okay, and if I go right to the end of this post, okay, I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to custom HTML and place that code in there. Okay, that's done. And update this post, view post. Okay, so if I get to the bottom of this post, the form should be there. Okay, here is the form. Work with Mojibba, no useless ebooks or outdated courses. Just the opportunity to work with me and create a passive income online. Okay, that looks good. So people can read this post and come to the end, and if they want to work with me, put their name there, email address there, and get details. So it looks all good. If you want to start using GetResponse as your autoresponder, I'll leave a link to it below in the description of this video, and you can join. You can get your you can start using it and have up to 500 subscribers on your list for free. Then you'll have to pay for it. So the first 500 is free, and you'll find the link below in the description of this video. Thanks for watching the video.